So if you have a Mazda 6 and you're considering getting all-weather floor mats, let's take a look at them and see if they're worth it. So these just arrived today. Pretty nice. I live in Washington where it rains like 8 months out of the year, so these will be waterproof and keep everything on the rug. So let's pull the other ones out and see what these look like. So this just has like the dingy white that I couldn't really get clean, and then the factory ones aren't lined with rubber, so if you get a lot of water on your feet getting in and out, it's gonna soak through and get the carpet all wet. So that's what I went for the aftermarket, well, not the aftermarket, but the all season weather mats. This is my favorite part about these mats when they get dirty. You just pull them out. You give them a quick spray and a quick wash. And a quick rinse. All right, I went ahead and ordered the matching trunk liner as well, all weather, so I can just easily pull it out and rinse it off, which I already did and cleaned it and stuff. I've been using it for like the last month and I love it. Keeps the car nice and clean and protects the carpet from getting all wet and gross when I put my stuff back there. And here's a look at them installed after they've been used and cleaned for a while. I just didn't want to take a video of them brand new because they're not going to look brand new when you're using them. So this is after I've had them for about a month. I took them off and washed them and put them back in. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in and watching the all-weather floor mats on my Mazda 6. If you want to get a set for the trunk as well as inside the cabin, I'll put a link in the description down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you guys next time.